White wall, white shirt. I look like a YouTuber that's filming an apology video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel that's called Channel. My name is Stephanie. If you haven't seen my face before, you should subscribe. Today I'm going to teach you how I got lip fillers for free. So you basically don't have to pay anything. You also don't have to go through the pain and being poked in your lips. And also, whenever someone tells you if you have lip fillers, you can just say no because they're natural. I'm going to show you the natural way to do lip fillers. If you haven't caught on by now, I'm teaching you how to make your lips plumper and bigger, giving them the lip filler effect with makeup. I feel like every time my intro is so long, so I'm just gonna start with this. I'll zoom you in so you can see my lips. So these are my lips. They're not big and they're not small. They're just like, I guess like mediocre. So what I'm gonna do first step is get a dark lip liner color, really darker than my skin, and basically line my lip. But I'm going to try to match this side with this side. What I'm going to do is lip line my lips. Like this. I lip line the bottom line. This doesn't have to be perfect, which is what I like about it. You can do it when you're in a hurry. So what I did is basically where my lips end, I just lined under them. Don't overline. I see so many people just overline the heck out of their lips, and you can see it through whatever we're gonna do next. We're gonna put on gloss and stuff, and you can see it through that if you overline. All you have to do is wherever your lips end, you just line it on top. As you can see, the difference between each side, pretty dramatic. And all I did was line it with a dark lip liner. Next step is going to be highlighter, and I really like using these drop highlighter for this effect. You don't have to really use a drop highlighter. You can use James Charles palette. You can use any highlight color and just pop it in the middle. It can be powder, that's fine. We're going to put lip gloss on top of it. So I basically put it in the middle. It looks crazy right now. I look crazy. Next, I'm going to be putting on lip gloss. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss. It's called Literally, and it's just literally a nude color. You can use any lip gloss. It doesn't have to be perfect. And what you're doing with the lip gloss is basically you're putting the lip gloss on top of the highlight powder that you just did, and you're also blending the harsh lines of the lip liner. So that's how it should look like. You can pack more lip gloss in the middle, but you could do that at the end while we're done with everything. This next step is pretty optional. I don't do it all the time. I probably did it like 3 times. But when I do it, I notice that there's a big difference in my lips. Basically what I'm going to do is get a really tiny brush. I know it has blue on it, but it's stained. I'm going to grab my contour palette and just grab any cool tone shade and just lightly, like don't do this too much. What I'm gonna do is basically make a line right here. What this does is basically creates a shadow that shows that your top lip is kind of bigger and it has more volume. Don't do it too much because sometimes if you do it like way too much, it looks like you have a mustache, but it's just a line. Nothing big. Nothing big, it's just a line. It looks more dramatic now because I have to show you, but in real life it shouldn't be really dramatic. It just should be a shadow. For the last and final step, if you made it this far, honestly you stumbled upon a treasure. This step is going to literally change your life. When I learned about this from Snitchery on YouTube, I literally was like mind blown because it makes sense. So basically, you see how like my lip is kind of like long? You see how like my lip is kind of long and you want them to be more pouty. So if you want your lip to be more pouty, basically you have to shorten it and it makes it seem like it's more pouty. So what I usually do is basically get my foundation color and just get a regular brush and literally take the tiniest bit of my foundation color. And what I do is just cut off the sides of my lip. All I had to do was put foundation here and here. That's all you have to do. And if you do this on your lips, dramatically it's going to make it look bigger. I just saved you so much lip filler money. You can thank me later. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. Give this video a like and I'll see you next time. Bye!